Okay guys, this is the math revision session, and in this session we will go through the topics that we uh, we had this quarter, and after we finish this presentation we will go to Classora and solve something there. I will tell you later what is it. And now let's start with the first part today, which is going through the main topics. And remember, just refresh our minds to remember what we studied this year. Okay, so I will tell you what we studied, and I will go through the topics quickly. Okay, so this is revision. And the first thing that we studied this year is how to read big numbers like this one. Okay, when I want to read a number like this, so I start from the right, ones, tens, hundreds, and comma. This is the ones period. And the second one is ones, tens, hundreds, comma. The second is the thousands. And the third also ones, tens, hundreds, and this is millions. Okay, there's someone using the mic. If you have anything to say, please wait. When I finish my presentation, you can ask. Okay, so to read this number, I start from the greatest place value, the greatest period. Who is using the mic? If you want to say something, please say it, and do not do this. Okay, so this is 4,578,961. Again, 4,578,961. And we know that we have place value. So the place value of the 1 is ones. Here, this is tens. The place value here, hundreds. The 8 is thousands. The 7, 10,000s. And the 5, 100,000s. And the 4 is millions. And what about the value? If I ask you about the 7, we have value and place value. The place value is the name of the place, which is 10,000s. And the value is, what is the value of the digit 7 in 10,000s? It's 70,000. So 7 and 4 zeros. We can do this in another way. We can see how many digits to the right of the 7, and these are the zeros to the right. Okay, after that we know how to compare two numbers. If we have two numbers like this, 4,572 and 4,587. If we need to compare these two, it's easy for us. Start from the first thing. Start by counting the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that start from the left. The left here is 4 also, so the previous digit to the right, 5, 5. So 7 and 8, these are different. So we will compare in this case the tens digit. Compare these two digits, the 7 and the 8, the tens digit. The place that we compare is the tens. And according to this, we have 8 more than 7, and we will use less than. Okay, remember also if you have a number like this, 7,550, 559, okay, I will go down, and What's the relation between the values of the 5 and the 5 here, the 5s in this number? Okay, the first one here, the value is 500, and the second one, the value is 50. Okay, the first one, 500, this is 10 times of 50. Okay, so 500 is 10 times of 50. When the two digits are the same and after each other, the one to the left is 10 times the one to the right. Okay, and the very important part after that is rounding numbers. Let's see how we use rounding. If we have a number like this, 8,325, and we need to round this number to nearest thousand, we underline the thousand and look at the digit to the right of the thousands, which is 3. As you know, we have strong digits and weak digits. The strong digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, not 10. They are digits, strong digits. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the strong digits. The other digits are not strong. So we will see the digit to the right, not the underlined digit. The digit to the right of the underlined, which is here in this case, not strong. And when we do round this number, we will find the 8. It will stay 8 or go up to be 9. So guys, the 8 cannot go down to be 7. It can go up to be 9 or stay 8 as it is. In this case, the 3 is not strong and the 8 will remain 8 as it is, so it's 8,000. Okay, let's take another example. If we have, for example, 57,846 and we want to round this number to nearest 10,000. In this case, we have the 10,000 is 5, so the 5 can stay 5 or go up to be 6. And we have to the right a strong digit, so the 5 will be 6. So 6, and all digits to the right will be zeros. So 4 zeros, so 60,000. Okay, another example, 128,461. And this time 10,000. So again, the 2 will stay as it is or go up to be 3. Because we have here strong digit to the right, so the 2 will be 3. And after that, do not change the digit to the left. The digits to the left, do not change them as it is. What we change is the digits to the right. All of them be zeros. So 4 zeros. And this is rounded to 10,000. It will be 130,000. We use this rounding to estimate. Please do not use your mic. Wa alaikum assalam. We use this rounding to estimate the sums and difference and the products. Let's see how we do this. I will go through the 3 operations at the same time, plus minus times at the same time. So I will give the first one on addition. Please do not use your mic.
Teacher, I can go toilet.
Yes, you can. Okay, I will add these 2 numbers. Okay. And I will do estimation. We have 2 things, guys. We have something called exact solution and something called estimate. So we have estimate. The estimation or the estimate is round the 2 numbers and after that add. So if I want to estimate I will round these to the nearest 100,000. So the first will be 600,000, and the second will be 100,000, and in this case the sum is 700,000. Why we use this? To see that our exact solution should be near to this number. So let's see how we find the exact solution. This is the exact solution. I'll write here in this exact solution. Okay. So I will write here the exact solution. Focus with me. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. I will write 3 and carry up 1. And regroup this 1 with the tens, because 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so 0. And again carry up 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, and so on. 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 and carry up 1. And 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so I use the estimation to see whether the exact solution is reasonable or not. In this case, I estimate my sum to nearest 100,000. You can do the estimation to nearest 10,000. So here I rounded to nearest 100,000s. Okay, so this is the estimation. And let's take another one. Let's take it minus this time. $8,523,000 minus okay, I think this is big enough. Let's start. I will read the second number. The second number here is 2,762,108. And I will start with the estimate to nearest millions. The millions in the first is 8 million. The second is 3 million. Why is it 3 million? Of course, we have 7, which is a strong digit. So the 2 will be 3. And subtract 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 million. So I expect my answer to be near to 5 million. Let's see the exact solution. Here I will find the exact solution. Okay, 3 minus 8 cannot be. This is not fair. So I will borrow 1 from the 2. That will be 1. And the 3 will be 13. 13 minus 8, this is 5, because 5 plus 8 is 13. And 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 0 minus 2 cannot be. So I will borrow from this 0. There is nothing to borrow. So I will borrow from the next. Nothing to borrow. So I will borrow from the 8. The 8 will be 7. And this 0 will be 10. I will take 1 from this 0. It will be 9. And this 0 will be 10. I will take 1 from this 0. It will be 9. And this one will be 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is how we can see here that our solution is 5,238,415. This is near to the estimate, which is 5 million. So the answer is correct. The solution is correct. And the last thing that we use estimation in is multiplication. Let's see an example of multiplication. I will write a big question also, so we don't need to take many questions. So let's see, 300, okay, 4 digits, 3,426 multiplied by 4. Okay, now I will start. The first thing is round to nearest greatest place value. So the 3 here will stay 3. So the 3 will stay 3, so 3000 multiplied by 4. As you know, my heroes, when we multiply by 3000, this is multiple. This contains zeros. So we multiply 3 and 4. 3 multiplied 4 is 12. And just add the extra zeros. How many extra zeros? We have 3 extra zeros. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is, or this is the estimate. And let's see the exact solution. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So 4 and carry up 2. And after that, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. So 0 and carry up 1. Now 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 7 and carry up 1. Now 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And ones, tens, hundreds, comma, so 13,704. And as you can see, this is 12,000 and this is 13,000. Yes, this is near. Why it's near? Because we know that we rounded down. It's 4 to the right, and we round the number down, not up. So I expect the answer, the exact answer, to be more than 12,000. Okay, so I can see here the estimate and the exact solution. Okay, and the last thing that I want to remind you about is the distributive property. The distributive property, and as you can see, please do not use your mics. The distributive property, when we have a number like this, 325, and we need to multiply this number by 7, we can multiply it like this. 300 multiplied by 7 plus 20 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied by 7. So I break the big number into 300 plus 20 plus 5 and distribute this to the 7. Okay, I will not find the answer. There's no need to do this. And if you want to multiply them, it's the same answer if you multiply them the original way, the ordinary way we use. Okay, so now guys, we have revised almost all topics in our curriculum or syllabus this quarter. And now, if you have anything to ask about, ask, because the next thing we will go to solve something. So I will hear you. If you have any problems, any questions, please